Torrential slide value equivalent to $40.9961 a coin. The present exchanged cost range: $40.7617, $43.9732. The earlier day close: $42.1735. The change was 1.1774, 2.79%. Backwards rate: United States dollars to Avax. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Torrential slide cost expectation for December 2023. At the outset, cost at $21.21. Excessive cost $72.03, while low cost $21.21. The normal for the month $45.44. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $67.32, change for December 217.4%. Torrential slide figure for January 2024. Before all else, cost at $67.32. Excessive cost $92.19, while low cost $61.72. The normal for the month $74.83. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $78.09, change for January 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for February 2024. To start with, cost at $78.09. Exorbitant cost $96.92, while low cost $78.09. The normal for the month $85.92. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $90.58, change for February 16.0%. Torrential slide conjecture for WALK 2024. At the outset, cost at $90.58. Excessive cost $112.42, while low cost $90.58. The normal for the month $99.66. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $105.07, change for spring 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for April 2024. Before all else, cost at $105.07. Excessive cost $105.07, while low cost $90.47. The normal for the month $99.47. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $97.28, change for April 7.4%. Torrential slide gauge for May 2024. Initially cost at $97.28. Excessive cost $108.25, while low cost $94.09. The normal for the month $100.20. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $101.17, change for May 4.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for June 2024. In the first place, cost at $101.17. Exorbitant cost $108.69, while low cost $94.47. The normal for the month $101.48. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $101.58, change for June 0.4%. Torrential slide estimate for July 2024. Initially cost at $101.58. Excessive cost $110.79, while low cost $96.29. The normal for the month $103.05. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $103.54, change for July 1.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for August 2024. Before all else, cost at $103.54. Excessive cost $115.22, while low cost $100.14. The normal for the month $106.65. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $107.68, change for August 4.0%. Torrential slide gauge for September 2024. In the first place, cost at $107.68. Exorbitant cost $116.22, while low cost $101.02. The normal for the month $108.39. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $108.62, change for September 0.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for October 2024. First and foremost, cost at $108.62. Exorbitant cost $120.72, while low cost $104.92. The normal for the month $111.77. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $112.82, change for October 3.9%. Torrential slide conjecture for November 2024. At the outset cost at $112.82. Excessive cost $124.72, while low cost $108.40. The normal for the month $115.63. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $116.56, change for November 3.3%. Torrential slide cost expectation for December 2024. First and foremost cost at $116.56. Exorbitant cost $144.67, while low cost $116.56. The normal for the month $128.25. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $135.21, change for December 16.0%. Torrential slide figure for January 2025. Before all else cost at $135.21. Excessive cost $150.46, while low cost $130.78. The normal for the month $139.27. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $140.62, change for January 4.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for February 2025. In the first place cost at $140.62. Excessive cost $156.48, while low cost $136.00. The normal for the month $144.84. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $146.24, change for February 4.0%. Torrential slide estimate for WALK 2025. First and foremost cost at $146.24. Exorbitant cost $175.38, while low cost $146.24. The normal for the month $157.94. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $163.91, change for spring 12.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for April 2025. Before all else cost at $163.91. Excessive cost $179.82, while low cost $156.30. The normal for the month $167.02. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $168.06, change for April 2.5%. Torrential slide conjecture for May 2025. Before all else cost at $168.06. Excessive cost $168.06, while low cost $131.29. The normal for the month $152.15. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $141.17, change for May 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for June 2025. In the first place cost at $141.17. Exorbitant cost $175.22, while low cost $1